It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
This maybe.
All right, we've got 2 bowls. What's in them?
Cheese sauce. Vegan cheese sauce.
Vegan cheese sauce. So is it really cheese?
No.
All right, so this one is made out of cashews. It's ground up cashews and water and nutritional yeast. I'll put the recipe in the link below. It's more of a white cheese. It's this is a couple days old. We actually made it the other day. It's not like real creamy. And this stuff I just made today. This is made out of carrots, potatoes, and nutritional yeast. And it is more of a cheesy color from the carrots, and it's creamier and smoother. The boys have tried this one. We tried it the other day, and this one is new. Nobody's tried it yet. So let's start with that one.
We don't like that one.
And
We don't like that one.
do you want to taste it?
I don't want to taste
Here,
it.
hold the spoon.
This smells super good.
This smells so good.
It smells good.
Tastes like carrots.
Really good. I think this is better than that.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of weird.
This is way better.
Tastes like carrots.
Does it taste like cheese at all?
No.
Yes,
No.
it does. It tastes like cheese to me.
Tastes like bean boozled.
Tastes
Jelly
like
beans.
tastes like
Tastes
nacho
like-
cheese.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. We can put this on nachos.
No,
It's like nacho cheese.
it looks like nacho cheese. It tastes like bean
Nacho.
boozled.
It's nacho cheese.
It is kind of tricky, huh? Because it does look very much like nacho cheese.
It does taste like nacho cheese to me.
No, it tastes more like carrots and potato sauce mixed up in one thick, creamy, yellowy, cheesy mix.
Okay, taste the other one and let me know how that one tastes.
Smells like broccoli.
Much better.
Mm-mm.
Way worse.
That stuff is way better. I'd say that the newer one's
I like
way
this
better.
better. I like this one.
I like this one.
I prefer that one, but this one tastes more like cheese.
I like this one because I'm already used to that, and that tastes like
Which one has better texture?
This.
That one for nachos.
Wait.
For nachos, this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one. That one's way thicker though.
Yes.
Do either of them actually taste like cheese?
This one
No,
does.
this one
tastes
tastes
a
a
lot
little
more.
like
This one
little
tastes
bit
more.
like cheese.
This one does to me.
This one tastes.
This one tastes like nacho cheese. Nothing's better.
This
than nacho
one tastes
cheese.
like this much, and this one tastes like this much of carrot. So
If somebody can't eat cheese, should they try this?
Yeah, I would prefer this.
Emmy.
I tried it.
Emmy, I'll get you someone. We're all done, okay?
Go ahead.
But if you're like gluten free, and like potato free and grain free, I would try that one.
Well, then they could just eat cheese.
Yeah.
Cheese is gluten free,
And if they're dairy free, they could just try that one because this one has potatoes.
which is not a grain and it doesn't have gluten.
What are potatoes? Oh yeah, tubers.
I have no idea what I'm talking about.
Neither do I.
There you go. Now you know what you're talking about.
I'm talking about this is better and I'll eat that one.
Okay, so
Thumbs up for this one.
Triple thumbs up.
A spoon gives a thumbs up.
my opinion on this one was it was kind of gross with the cashews. I did not really care for it. I did make a meal out of it. We had some mac and cheese and I choked it down, but it was awful. This stuff is really weird. Definitely not cheese, but it seems a little bit more edible than this one. So we'll put both of the recipes below, and you're welcome to try them out and share your opinion with us.
Bye.
Mom,
I want to eat that whole bowl. It's that
I
way.
want to taste it.
It's that good, Mom. I want to eat that whole bowl.
Yeah, I like this way better.